Hey y'all, thanks for stopping in. Appreciate you taking time out of y'all's busy schedule to stop in and see what it is I'm up to. I was out and about and figured I'd come down here and see what I could see at the sea. There's a storm brewing down south in the, I guess it's kind of in the, outside the Caribbean or whatever. Anyway, we've been getting storms through here for the past 36, 48 hours, something like that. And yeah, the ocean's pretty well riled up. It's kind of windy out there, but we're going to go out and we're going to see what it's all about. So, sorry you're going to have to deal with the wind. Better get my sunglasses too. Dead cat or something put on. Water closed to public, high hazard, dangerous marine life. It's got the beach all tore up. You see the clouds. Today's Labor Day, so it's the end of the season actually. Although, it'll still be nice down here for a while. Like probably the next 2 or 3 months. Oh, that water's chilly. And there's whitecaps breaking all the way, a couple hundred yards offshore. Let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs down or a thumbs up. Leave me a comment wherever it is y'all leave comments on your internet access device of choice. If you'd like to check me out on Facebook, I'll have a link in the description box eventually. There'll be some other links down there to similar type videos. Look at this little tidal pool. Wow. So September is Child Cancer Awareness Month. Just be aware that it's Child Cancer Awareness Month. Cancer affects everyone, young, old, male, female. If something doesn't seem right, get it checked out, whether it's you or your child. If your loved ones are nearby, give them a kiss and a hug. If they're not, give them a call. Hit them up on Facebook. Let them know you're thinking about them. Let them know you love them. We're not promised tomorrow, people. Until I see y'all again, I hope you have a fantabulous day. Sláinte, y'all. Bye-bye.